So guys, 5 minutes ago, I started self-clicking this morning, and what I have made so far is $86.77. Okay, so but before I will continue self-clicking for throughout today, okay, I want to go ahead and share something I just discovered that you guys can also add up with your self-clicking in order for you to get massive results. Okay, but first let me reload the page right over here, and so that you can see that this money that I made this morning under 5 minutes is legit right over here. If I click on the reload page up right over here, you can see the money still remain exactly the same thing. Okay, so without speaking much grammar, let's jump right into the main secret, what I'm going to reveal to you guys in this video step by step, so that you can actually add up the same thing for yourself while you are self-clicking CPA offer, so that you get the same exact result that I am getting right over here. So basically, once you log into your dashboard, your personal dashboard, either you are using CPAgrip or you are using AdBlue Media, you are using any CPA network, and maybe your offer has not been converting, eventually you are going to be seeing that you have $0 here. Okay, so since you have $0 here, then you want to do something to make money start dropping right on this revenue. Okay, because this is the only way. When you start seeing money here, this is when you begin to calculate at the end of the month how much you can actually withdraw to your local bank account. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to come straight to this offer to session and my offers, and then it's going to bring you straight to this page where you're going to come here and select all country. Okay, but if you don't want to select all country, maybe you have a specific country in mind and you want to go ahead, go straight to that particular country and pick those offers, this is exactly what you need to do as well. Okay, so come over to the category section. We're going to come here and select credit card or email zip submit or pin submit, whichever option you use. These are the three major offers that I perform: pin submit, email zip submit, and credit card. So in fact, I can't even remember if I've ever performed mobile installed offers for a very long time. Okay, so